Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will learn to see the use slots, RAM, PC, laptop, and Windows. To get started, right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager. After that, go to the Performance tab. Here, click on Memory, and at the bottom you can find the data of the available RAM slots. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.